In this video, I'm going to show you two simple and quick ways to calculate the cube root of 64. With the cube root of 64, we need to find out which number, when multiplied by itself 3 times, results in 64. That number is 4 because 4 times 4 equals 16, and 16 multiplied by 4 gives 64. Therefore, the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Now, if you have trouble finding it this way, we can break it down into prime factors. Let's take the number 64 and divide it by prime numbers. Since 64 is an even number, we'll start dividing by 2. 64 divided by 2 equals 32. 32 divided by 2 equals 32. Divided by 2 gives 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. By 2, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. When we reach 1, we've finished the prime factorization. Now, here's the thing. Pay close attention here, student. We are calculating the cube root, the index of this root, which is 3. So, for every 3 repeating numbers, one of them comes out of the root. For every 3 identical numbers, every 3 repeating numbers, one of them comes out of the root. These two values that came out of the root here, we are going to write as a product. 2 times 2 equals 4. So the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. You can use either of these two methods. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. A big hug to you all, and may God bless you.